Hello all, welcome to Web Technologies lecture series. This is Pawan Kumar Verma, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SRK Engineering College. In the previous lecture, we already discussed about frame tags and image tags. In this video, let's write a simple program and execute the image tag and how to use image maps, etc. Let's see. So let's see the simple image. Let's run our simple image map example. So here in the program, I already told what image map means. So if you want to click any image, so some particular area, it will redirect to some website. So if you want to click any this glass or this coffee cup, if you want to go to one website, and if you want to click this phone, it must go to some website. If you click this laptop, it will go to some website. We must use this image map. So let's see the code. So this is the image map code. So first of all, in title I had given image map, so it is reflecting here. So just I had taken image source is equal to srkr.jpg. I had given width and height. So and I had given another property align is equal to right. So in the browser, as the srkr image must be aligned in right, it is showing in the right side with the width of 400 and a height 200. If you want to add another attribute, just add an attribute here. So as I did not given any break, the next image is showing here. So the next image I had taken is source src is equal to image map.jpg. So I had taken, so the image is showing directly because the image map is in the same folder or same directory which this image map.html is there. So see, so we must follow the 3 steps to use the work map. So first one, the first attribute we are going to use is use map in the image tag. So use map is equal to hash work map. So we must give the hash to the attribute of what we are using. So the next step is, the next in map we are going to give one attribute name is equal to work map. So what we have given in the name, we must give this attribute in the use map with this asterisk. So next one, area, what area will decide is, the area means the image where we want to click and where it should go, and the coordinates and etc. here will be shown in the area elements. So in these area elements, first I had taken 3 areas. So first one, and I had taken some coordinates. So if you want to see the image coordinates, just go to website imagemap.com. You will find some, you can see the coordinates and you can give the direct coordinates in this website. So alt is equal to computer means if the image is not loaded, the alt will be shown. So if you click on these coordinates, the hyperlink reference it must open is facebook.com. So the next area is shape is rectangle. So coordinates, so alt is phone. So if you click on this phone, what it must open is google.com. So next one, the shape is circle. In circle the coordinates are that, and alt is coffee. If you click on that coffee, the website it must open is www.srklec.edu.in. So image map, so as I already told, so once again I am saying, to use image map there are 3 simple steps. First one is image tag, the image we are going to use, and next we use the attribute use map. In use map, the value we are going to give is some name. So that name will be there in the map tag name is equal to work map. So these name must be given in the as value for use map attribute with asterisk. So in map in map tag we are using this area. where which image we want to click and where we should go. So we are giving the coordinates and shape, etc. So if you want to see this, so see, if we click on this computer, as I already gave, if we click on computer, go to facebook.com. If you click on phone, go to google.com. If you click on coffee, go to srkrec.edu.go. So this total part will be treated as rectangle. See the shape rectangle, and it is redirected to facebook.com. So as the website is slow, it's loading slowly. So next this. So the next area we are clicking is mobile. If you click on this mobile, see it is shown in rectangle. The mobile will go to the Google. So that mobile will came to the google.com. So if you click on this coffee, this is the coffee, and I had taken the shape is a circle, so it is shown circle, and it will redirect to srkrec.edu.in. So only I had given coordinates is this only coffee cup. If you click on this where remaining parts, it will not go to anywhere. Just if you click on these place or this mobile place and this coffee cup, it will redirect to the website where it is where we had given. So this is one of the interesting topic, and we can use very effectively. So these image maps are one of the effective way of using the images. So thank you.